What's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. Oh, haven't seen you guys in a while. Time to talk about the world a little bit. Check this out first. We had a snowstorm here in New York City, and someone's shovel got cracked. I guess they were trying to shovel, and I don't know, but that doesn't look like a full shovel to me. Anyway, what's up, guys? Talking about NYC. They passed a package, or they're about to vote on a package. The government given a stimulus of 600. Huh? All that hoopla for that, huh? Well, supposedly they're going to pass a more robust package when Biden gets in. If you look back to my other videos, guys, also the marketing has begun. The marketing I mentioned in one of my past videos about the marketing for the vaccines, right? The marketing has begun. They are, Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, nicely packaged. The vaccine is about to be done, or the beginnings of the marketing. So yeah, what else has been going on? You guys miss me? I mean, say something in the comments. What else has been going on? Crypto is going up, right? Now people are starting to take notice. A big trend is when you start looking for your wallets and stuff, your passwords and things like that. I thought I lost all my Ethereum. I thought I lost all of it because the MetaMask wallet, or was it the MetaMask, a wallet that I was using, had a storage error. So I needed, to log in, and it wouldn't take the password. So with most crypto wallets, as some of you may know, you need a seed phrase, a series of 12 words that, when you put it in, allows you to re-import your account. So I was able to find my seed phrase. Okay, here we go. Here's what COVID-2 is doing. Or is this a sign of what COVID-2 is about to do? A second strain, folks, has been identified in the UK. Here we are. There's a sign there, 6 feet apart. Outdoor dining is closed, I guess. Okay? So it's closed here. And yeah, there's also a second strain of COVID, they say. So it's COVID 020 for the chaos of 021, right? COVID 020 for 021, right? Like it was COVID-19 for 020. So I don't know. It sure seems weird. I hope that's not how it plays out, because we don't need that. So yeah, all the stuff that I was saying is coming to fruition. The marketing for the vaccines. I'm not saying it's a hoax. I'm not saying that at all. I know people personally who have been affected, so I'm not saying it's a hoax. But yeah. So a lot's been happening, and it's just changing. So much is changing right now. But yeah, I just wanted to say what's up to you guys. This parking lot here that I'm walking into was a COVID testing facility for a while, and then they took it out. I guess they just put the resources where they're needed. In that bill, I haven't read the 6,000 pages, nor am I going to. I usually don't read the text, they call it, of that. Almost 6,000 pages. I don't know. no state and local funding. So this MTA here, up here, I don't know what they're going to do. They're going to cut service. They're going to cut it. I don't know if they're not going to have, they're going to do like 40% cuts. I noticed graffiti is getting rampant more in NYC. I was in going through lower Manhattan.